Ever wonder what's hiding inside your dryer vent? We tested the airflow before cleaning. We scoped the vent and found serious lint buildup inside. I was just pulling the camera out when this lint monster popped out, totally packed in. Time to clear it out. We cleaned the entire length of the vent all the way through. At the exterior vent, we blasted away built up lint and made sure the damper wasn't sticking. This is key to a safe dryer vent system. First, we start by cleaning the lint trap screen itself. This is your dryer's first line of defense. But don't forget, lint also builds up under the screen where most people never check or clean. We finish every job with the final inspection. This scope shows a clean, clear vent from end to end. The airflow improved by 405 feet per minute. That's a huge difference. Clean dryer vents save lives.